Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic the basic structure of Indian Constitution. So, according to Indian Constitution, the Parliament and the state legislatures can make laws within their jurisdictions. The power to amend the Constitution is only with the Parliament and not the state legislative assemblies. However, this power of the Parliament is not absolute. The Supreme Court has the power to declare any law that it finds unconstitutional void. As per the basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution, any amendment that tries to change the basic structure of the Constitution is invalid. What is the basic structure of Indian Constitution? There is no mention of the term basic structure anywhere in the Constitution of India. The idea that the Parliament cannot introduce laws that would amend the basic structure of the Constitution evolved gradually over time and many cases. The idea is to preserve the nature of Indian democracy and protect the original and the liberties of people. This basic structure of the Indian Constitution helps to protect and preserve the spirit of the constitutional document. It was Keshwanand Bharti case that brought this doctrine into the limelight. It held that the basic structure of the Indian Constitution cannot be abrogated even by the constitutional amendments. The judgment listed some basic structures of the Constitution, which are number 1, supremacy of the Constitution, number 2, utility and sovereignty of India, number 3, democratic and republican form of government, number 4, federal character of the Constitution, number 5, secular character of the Constitution, number 6, separation of power, number 7, individual freedom. Over time, many other features have been added to this list of basic structural features. Some of them are rule of law, judicial review, parliamentary system, rule of equality, harmony and balance between the fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy, free and fair elections, limited power of the Parliament to amend the Constitution. Power of Supreme Court of India under Article 32, 136, 142 and 147. Power of High Court under Articles 226 and 227. Any law or amendment that violates these principles can be struck down by the Supreme Court on the grounds that they distort the basic structure of the Constitution.